Hey guys, this is Miss Carla. I totally miss you guys. I hope you're all doing really well. Thank you to many of you for keeping up with the reading work. You can always let me know if you need help or if you get behind, we can talk about how to get you caught up. So feel free to email me or call me and reach out anytime you're feeling stressed out or don't understand something. So today's assignment, I'm not giving you a narrative text to read or a nonfiction text. I'm giving you some work on the syllable rules. And we've learned about lots of different kinds of syllables this year. The first one is a closed syllable, which is a vowel followed by a consonant. So a closed syllable would be like in the word forgiveness. Well, actually, let me back up on that. In the word supportive, S-U-P, sup, I would put in closed because it is a vowel followed by a consonant. Remember, vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the consonants are all the other letters. The next syllable rule is an open syllable, like the syllable re in the word remark. So if we have an open syllable, it means that the vowel is not followed by a consonant, and so this vowel becomes long. The next syllable rule is vowel, consonant, E. So for instance, in the word supportive, the last syllable, T-I-V-E, is a vowel, a V, consonant, and then the E. So vowel, consonant, E. The next syllable rule is vowel teams. Whenever we have two vowels together, it is a vowel team. So like if you see an EA or OU, anything like that, two vowels together are a vowel team. And the very last rule for syllables is those that are R controlled. Like again, in this word remark, we have M-A-R-K. The A is being controlled by the R, so it doesn't sound like a short A, or a long A. It sounds like R. It completely changes the way we pronounce the letter A. Or like in forgiveness, F-O-R is R controlled. So remember all of these syllable rules. I already broke the words into syllables for you, and then you just have to put them across here in the correct column. All right, guys, have a great day and let me know if you need any help. Thanks. Bye.